If you want to transfer data from your old phone to OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can use the clone phone app that you have pre-installed on your OPPO Reno 15. On your other smartphone, you will have to most likely download the clone phone app unless you have OPPO, OnePlus or Realme, because these smartphones usually have the clone phone app already installed as well. In the case of any other smartphone or in the case of iPhone, you will have to go to the Play Store or App Store in order to get the app. So in this case, we have to open the Play Store and then we need to search for the clone phone app. Just make sure that you download the proper clone phone app for OPPO. There we go, and let's install it. And then once you open the app, we need to grant all the necessary permissions. Now, in here on OPPO Reno 15, we're gonna open the app as well. And of course, we want to select that this is the new phone. In this case, we need to choose whatever is our old phone. So if you had OPPO, Realme or OnePlus, as I mentioned, you can select, of course, that option. For any other Android, or in the case of Apple, you have to use the other option. So in this case, we're gonna choose other Android. Now we should be able to scan this QR code. And in case you scan the QR code and it doesn't work for you, it doesn't want to connect, you can choose to connect manually over here at the bottom. So let's get the QR code, let's scan it. We need to grant all the necessary permissions. There we go, and we can scan the QR code. If needed, you have to actually deauthorize and make some adjustments and so on and so forth. Enable all the necessary permissions. This can be a little bit annoying, but this is what we have to do. There we go. And now we are connecting. Now, once we connect, we can choose whatever we want to transfer. So we can transfer contacts, messages, call logs, multimedia files, and apps. I'm gonna actually uncheck everything because I don't really need to transfer all of that. But in your case, you probably want to transfer everything that you have in here. And now we can tap on next. Now in here, once again, we need to grant some permissions. So we have to do that. All right, let's tap on next again. Now we have preparing data. And you should once again be able to choose whatever you want to transfer. So in my case, I just have one picture. Of course, the more data you have to transfer, the longer it will take to actually transfer those files. So you have to keep that in mind. Unfortunately, yeah, still we have to grant some permissions. All right, so now over here, we need to select that we understand the content on this page. And you can also see what is not supported, what you cannot transfer, and then we can tap on Start Migration. And you want to keep these two, well, you have to keep the app open on both phones to make sure that the transfer is done. And once it is done, you can tap on the Done button over here, and of course you can do the same thing on your OPPO Reno 15. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.